Hi, Assalamu Alaikum. Today I'm going to give you 3 pro tips on how to make the best of your Ramadan with QalbyApp. First and foremost, it is the Salah countdown feature. Get quick and easy access to prayer times just by adding our widget feature onto your home screen. This feature will help you keep track of all of your iftar and sahur timings down to the second. Secondly, you can minimize your distractions this Ramadan with our brand new feature, the podcast. Subhanallah. In this feature, your playlist can actually be saved and it plays in the background, during whatever you're doing, whether you're cooking, you're cleaning, you're driving, or during your idle time. Last but not least, you can get back on track with our ibadah checklist this Ramadan. It is so amazing. All you need to do is just set your goals, and as you go along in the month of Ramadan, just check on them, and inshallah, you will be exactly where you want to be, inshallah, in terms of your goals. We hope this will be your best Ramadan yet. Do download QalbyApp. It's for free on the Google Play Store or App Store today, inshallah, to make this the best Ramadan.
قلبي